If your Buick Envision is struggling to connect to Apple CarPlay, follow these steps to get back on track. Studies show that a simple reset fixes 80% of smartphone integration glitches in modern vehicles. Let us break down the troubleshooting process step by step. Start by inspecting your cable, toggling your phone's Bluetooth, and removing the device from your infotainment settings. Your iPhone settings are often the culprit, so verify that Siri is active and your iOS is fully updated. On the Buick side, perform a soft reset of your infotainment screen and ensure the USB port is free of debris. If basics fail, determine if the issue requires a professional diagnostic or if it is just a hardware glitch. The cost of these repairs ranges from $0 for a simple reset to hundreds if you actually need a new USB module. Before giving up, test a different phone to isolate the problem and consider a factory reset as your final option. Keep a quality cable and compressed air in your glove box to resolve minor connectivity hiccups on the road. Remember that software updates are your best defense against recurring connectivity issues. If these steps fixed your CarPlay, let us know in the comments below.